There you go.
I'm trying to open it and I want to taste it. Okay, this is my rule.
We need a spoon.
Give me that spoon. I want to eat the
And
yogurt.
let's get this tablespoon. You ready? I'm gonna make a quick chia seed morning,
Sugar.
super high protein.
Protein high da. Did I cut it?
Girl. Protein chia seed pudding.
Da.
Now put it in a bowl. One. Oh. Two.
A lot.
Three.
3.
Super easy. Get your chia seed.
Now put it in there.
Hot to warm water.
Put it in there.
And mix it with the chia seed.
Can I taste it?
And see how it's becoming gelatin. That's what you're looking for. Get your vanilla
Yogurt.
Greek yogurt, or you can go plain. However you want to do it. We do vanilla. Girl, gotta mix it up. Now take plain old cocoa powder.
Because we need to mix. That looks like poop.
Poo-poo.
Yeah. They're yummy.
You mix the vanilla Greek yogurt and the chia seeds, and you put this cocoa, it's actually pretty tart. So just get some sugar, brown sugar, any sugar, and we put in about that, I don't know, 1 tablespoon of sugar. That is optional if you like it on the tart side. Then you don't have to put the sugar in. We'll put a little sugar in for the kids, and then it just tastes better. You can put this in the fridge, eat it right now.
No, I don't want to. I want to eat it.
You want to eat it? Does it taste good now? Taste better? Yep. Girl, don't be putting that spoon back in there. Oh boy. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. I want to make it look pretty. And I don't want little kid fingers in there. Okay, you want to make it look pretty?
But I want to eat them.
Sweet.
Bye, Baba.
Put some chocolate chips and strawberries and you're all set. High protein.
This is how you make it.
Before your workout, after your workout, all day
energy.
energy.
Make it like that.